Hey everyone, so this is the 5th video of the machines in the custom shop that we do a little walkthrough on key points of operation and safety. So this machine is the sander. We have one in 3 and one in 4.
It's a little more complicated than some of the rest you've operated because a lot of it's going to be done from the computer. Again, you have your main switch on and off, emergency switch, and this is control voltage. This is what will let you start the machine. This switch here allows you to open this door and operate the machine for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, it's going to stop the machine. You have to go back to your normal position. This device is to automatically measure whatever piece you're going to put into the machine. It will measure it. You don't have to use a tape measure. It'll measure it, and it should go through the machine. Here we have 3 different sanding heads on here, plus we have a unit called a flatten. You can operate any head individually, or you can run all 4 units at one time, simply by turning on and turning off that unit. Whichever unit you touch, it's going to bring it up. You can turn it on and off, so you can operate 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads, or all combined. Most of the time I see you guys, you're always operating everything, and that's fine. This right here is where you put in the measurement. Now this measurement is for the board on the other side, not the measurement for the board as it goes into the machine. So don't confuse that. This is measuring the board on the other side. So if you got a board that's 1 inch thick, you know, you can't put in 1 inch here and expect it to be that size, or that won't work that way. This button here is to turn the conveyor on and off. In here, you guys all know how to change the paper. You unlatch it, pull out the pin, pull your paper off. These adjustments in here should never have to be adjusted. You have no reason to make any adjustments on these. You always run the same grit sandpaper. If you're changing the grit of the sandpaper on that head to a different grit, then you have to make that adjustment. Otherwise, you should never ever make these adjustments if you're running the same paper on each head all the time. No reason to touch those. That will mess up your calibration, so your sanding is going to be wrong when it comes off the other side. Several times I've been asked, you know, to calibrate these because they're wrong. When I come back, these have been moved. Right now, the way we run these machines, both machines, the one and one over there, they should never have to be adjusted in here. Okay? Any questions on how to operate each individual head? Like to do with that? This one, you put that on 0. When you put your board in here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. There's a switch under here. When it goes up, it'll turn that off. Okay?
Automatic.
Automatic. Okay. Somebody got it stuck. So that's what that's for. Is if you pick up a board, you don't have a tape measure, you don't know what the thickness is, you can always put it in here. It will automatically set it for you. So now you know how thick your board is, so you can read it.
So Enoch, is there any type of maintenance that we should be doing on here daily, or is it all?
Main thing on this machine is blowing it out and keeping this belt clean. The sawdust thing on here will make this belt get hard, and then your board wants to slide backwards and not go through the machine. You guys already blowing it off, keeping it, but I can feel now it needs to be dressed. But that's what makes this belt get hard, is the salt that's laying on it. It pulls the oils out of this belt and makes it hard. So keeping the belt clean is very important. Once you guys blow it out inside, you need to really make sure you blow it out good, because the photo cells inside is what reads that paper and makes it move back and forth. You get enough dust on the photo cell, you can't see the paper and it'll track off.